Okay, I think we have Mr. Neeraj Kumar, the
Well,
former
Diti-
CP of Delhi Police. Piyush, I will just come back to you. Neeraj Kumar, sir, thank you so much for speaking to us on Republic, sir. We are reporting a big arms haul by the Delhi Police, about 50, I think, cartridges and 55 modern ammunitions that have been recovered, sir, by the Delhi Police's special cell. What does this signify, sir? What is this amount that we are talking about? How big is this?
Well, the seizure is to be viewed in the context of the Independence Day, that is day after tomorrow, and also the fact that it has within itself transnational character to it. Many states and criminals from many states are part of this racket, and the very fact that so many arms and ammunition have been recovered in the capital, it is a significant breakthrough, and the Delhi police need to be lauded for securing not only the capital but also the whole country by busting this racket.
And Neeraj Kumar, sir, just because you've been a former Delhi cop, sir, so I want you to help us understand this. Just close to Independence Day, we do know that there is heightened security alert. Then for this group to be able to carry these illegal arms from a state like Madhya Pradesh, from Mewat and Haryana, to get them to Delhi. I mean, these obviously that are not very ordinary people with the kind of risk they have taken, with the kind of arms and ammunitions that they are actually carrying.
Exactly, that is the point to be made. It is not as if they have been all brought into Delhi overnight. They have been brought here as a part of a conspiracy which has spanned several months. And what the actual designs of these people are or were going to be, all that is being looked into. And I'm sure we have to, look at it as a major breakthrough in securing our country.
Okay, and sir, one more question as a viewer today. I want to know, in the last 1 week or so, I think we have reported more than 3 such big arms haul by the Delhi police itself. So, sir, how does it really work? Close to Independence Day, close to Republic Day, obviously when security is heightened, there are more concerns about, such antisocial elements out there on the prowl. What could this consignment really mean, and who could this be meant for? We are given to understand that this was for local gangsters in Delhi NCR region, sir. But do you really believe that?
All that will be revealed by the investigations that will follow. And for me, I have been retired for the past 8 years. For me to give anything definitive about what the designs of the people behind bringing in these arms will not be very appropriate. I think as and when these things are found out, they will become public and everyone will come to know what they were supposed to be used for.
All right, Neeraj Kumar, the former Delhi Police Commissioner there, helping us understand the significance of today's big arms haul by the Delhi Police's special cell. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us on Republic. I again want to get in our colleague Shravan and Piyush tracking this story so very closely. And Shravan, I will hand over this to you in just a bit, but I have that one question that I wanted to ask Piyush before we got Neeraj Kumar also online. And Piyush, I think that's the point, that this is not something that has come overnight. Such an operation actually does take a lot of intel. You have to, look at a lot of state boundaries are, transgressed, considering this particular consignment, Piyush, moved from Madhya Pradesh, moved from Mewat and Haryana, and somewhere it was, in Delhi. So do we know the exact location where this entire haul was picked up? Where was it caught? Was this actually just a one consignment or multiple consignments? What do we know about the operation so far?
Well, Deepti, like you rightly pointed out, that yes, it's not one day, efforts those are put in by the officials of Delhi Police. That's a big planning which they do, and they are always alert, on such occasions. We know that how a high alert has already been sounded across the city, on the borders of city, and during these days, we know that how Delhi Police officials are always on their toes. So looking at the security preparations, those are there across the border and also in Delhi. The Delhi Police personnel were very much alert, and they have carried out a big operation, and it's a big breakthrough which is being seen. We also spoke to, like you also spoke to, former Commissioner of Delhi Police Neeraj Kumar, where he said that the Delhi Police officials must be lauded for this operation. As of now, Delhi Police officials, special team is still investigating, and they are trying to ascertain that if there are other people also involved in this big racket, because yes, it's the racket of illegal arms trafficker who are, who have in fact been arrested. 4 people have been arrested. One was, if you talk about these, the information which we are right now getting, one was the close aide of a notorious Kaushal gang in Delhi, and he was also wanted in murder cases in Delhi and Haryana. The another was a convict in a ransom kidnapping ransom case. So they are the one who are history cheaters, and Delhi Police always keeps an eye on such people, and for looking and by following all the leads, finally these 4 people have been arrested, and 3 are from Uttar Pradesh, one from Delhi, and police is still trying to get more and more details, but that's a big breakthrough which has been done, and Delhi Police must be lauded for this, and that has happened just 2 days ahead of Independence Day celebrations. As of now, we are trying to get more details from Delhi Police officials as to from where they recovered these arms, and who all people are involved in this. If there are other people who are involved in this, if Delhi Police is looking for other people also. So there are some certain questions which Delhi Police official special cell would be answering in a short while. We are also expecting a press briefing from the Delhi Police side, where they will tell us about the entire operation. But yes, it is being seen a big breakthrough, and that just 2 days ahead of Independence Day. Deepti.